Quarantine day 68. I don't know about you guys, but tonight I'm wearing my sexiest pair of sweatpants to the living room. Alright, for today's background, you're probably like, what is going on? Listen, this is just some decor that's stacked up in my bedroom. Hopefully I'm going to get to tackling the decorating of it soon. I'm still waiting on some online pieces to show up. And also my daughter is doing online school right now, so in the kitchen, so I'm filming in here just to kind of like not, you know, distract her. But today's video is going to be my March favorites, which there's actually going to be a part 2, so make sure that you stick around for both, because March has been one of the, if not the best month of hauls of new stuff I've ever seen at Dollar Tree. I don't want to include Christmas because you guys know that I love the Christmas stuff that comes out, so I really just went somewhere that I don't even think like you understood me, but listen, it's March favorites. So let's go ahead and dive in. These are all things that if you have not had a chance to catch up on all of my hauls for March, make sure that you go, because or watch them if you want to, obviously, because I probably could have just included everything that I found in March. So I really had to force myself to nitpick for these videos because everything was just that good. So this is going to be all of the items that just really stood out for me. So if you want to know what my favorites are, let's go. Straight out the bat, these have to be first. And it's these little planterns that they made out of the cutest little creatures. Absolute perfection. The fox is my favorite because I feel like out of all of them, he is the most holiday related one for me. I could definitely use him for fall. And then you have a cute little turtle in here as well. As soon as I found those, actually they were part of my vlog when I went shopping at Dollar Tree, which I think that vlog is out now. And my reaction to actually seeing them in the store is in that video. Okay, so Easter grass. Easter's coming up, and this yellow grass just really impressed me. I just really liked it. I liked how muted and matte that it was. There's no shininess to it, but it's really pretty, and that yellow is my favorite. I also got it in pink as well, but I picked yellow for this video. Now, these are not new products for Easter from Dollar Tree. They've been around for years and years, but they're still a favorite, and I get them every year, and it's these little Easter eggs. The carrot ones are to die for. You could actually DIY these and make garland. That would be really cute. Little charms. I've made like little charms for lamps and things like that, even like door charms on my channel for holidays and stuff. This would be cute for that. And then I love the little chicks. They are so darling, and they had to be in this video. I also really thought that the dinosaur eggs were too adorable. I really think they are, oh my gosh, do they just not make you smile? Like, how stinking cute are those? So those are really fun. Also, the glitter base fillers. Something about pastel colors in spring just really, I don't know, it's so, I guess it's because you're coming out of winter and it's just so nice to see these really beautiful colors. And I think that there's a lot you can do with these. I'm actually going to use these in my daughter's Easter basket. Okay, next up are these ice cube trays. These are brand new at Dollar Tree. I've never seen them do this Easter one before. And you get the little bunny. You get a boy bunny with the bow tie. Let me turn it upside down. So there's the boy bunny. And then there's the girl bunny. So adorable. And then you get the little bunny tails. Cute, but look, one of mine was broken, so make sure that you're watching out for that as well. I am telling you, I've never seen a cuter hair bow than these, just period, from anywhere, let alone from the Dollar Tree for $1. I am completely obsessed with these, and I've been saving them and holding on to them so that I can put them in my niece's Easter basket. They're so cute. They even have that springtime look. You get these little pom-poms that are inside this glitter tulle in purple and pink. That girl is girly girl. She's gonna love those. Next up are these gift boxes. I'm obsessed with these boxes. I've been buying these at Dollar Tree for years now, probably like 4 or 5 years now. And they just get better and better, and they're just such a cute way to give a gift. And I think they're also really great for the older crowd too. So instead of doing like a typical standard gift bag, you can do these boxes, and they're just so charming. Love this one, very Golden Girls. You see all the really pretty patterns. This one, you could really mix this up, and I think, you know, great for guys as well. Really, really pretty, and I love the size of them too. And the insides are lined so beautifully. They're just very well done. And then you saw me hold up this gift bag. I had to put it in this video because this purple is amazing. Also, it's a purple day for me. I don't know if you guys noticed. I even have the Jeffree Star Controversy palette purple, like exposed, whatever color, the mini Controversy under my eyes, but you didn't ask, you probably don't care. And anyway, this purple color is beautiful. I've never seen Dollar Tree put out a color like that, so I knew that it had to be in this video. Okay, next up are these little figurines. I mean, of course, they're gonna be in my favorites. The little red truck. This is the first time Dollar Tree's ever put out an actual little toy red truck. So I think that's really awesome. And then the little camper is super darling. And it's part of like the fairy garden stuff. So I've been collecting those little figurines for my niece. Okay, next up are the Easter cookies. They're just fantastic. They're really beautiful. Do you guys ever watch those like cookie frosting videos? They're so satisfactory. Thumbs up or comment, let me know if you like watch cake making or cookie frosting. It's just, you cannot tear your eyes away from it. And then, so when I look at these frosted cookies, I think of that. So there's the bunny, there's the egg, and then there's a little chicken there. This is a Dollar Tree haul, in case you missed it. I mean, how crazy is it that you can find that there? Okay, next up are the scarves. Now, I actually hauled a couple of scarves, but I really was trying to be as picky as I could for this video, and really pull to my absolute favorites, the things that just kind of speaks to me the most. And these two were everything. They beat out the other ones that I hauled, and I guess it's because I love blue. It's my favorite color, and also it kind of has that ocean look to it too, you know, so I'm definitely holding on to these to put onto my straw bag for the beach. Hoping I'll make it to the beach this year, but yeah, these scarves are fabulous. Love them to death. Next up is a piece of Farmhouse Decor. When they put out this windmill, I was shook. I truly was. And I know you guys have been telling me that there's a steak version of it. Haven't found it. So this is the only thing that I have found. And look at that. The wheel of it works so beautiful. It's just caught on the tag. I haven't removed the tag or anything yet. It says welcome. Super farmhouse. Adore that piece. I was just like, okay, Dollar Tree, you're not messing around. Then next up are these bags. So I had to include all of them in this video because I thought they were really pretty. I love the colors. The Let the Sea Set You Free. Love this one. And then the watermelon slice of summer. Perfection. Good vibes only. Probably not my favorite, so just pretend like this one wasn't in the favorites. These two definitely are the faves. When I saw these buckets and then I hauled them, I knew immediately that they were gonna be in my favorites. And I had to include all of them because they're each just fabulous in their own right. I just could not pick like a favorite color. And they're just these little cute buckets. These are gonna be great for DIYs, for gift giving. Look at this beautiful pink, the red, and the white. What? The only color that I think is missing is black and yellow and a different green. Okay, maybe we need them in all the rainbow shades, but if they would have done black for Farmhouse, I would have I would have keeled over. I don't even know what to tell you. Okay, some more Farmhouse Decor. These had to make the cut. They're just beautiful. I mean, what else is there to say about it? Just very farmhouse. You get this faux chalkboard look. The pop-up of the galvanized word. And then this one, there's no place like home. Just stellar. Stellar stuff for $1. The next thing up is this. Now, I haven't tested this out, but I wanted it to be in this video just on the fact that it impressed me alone, that it was at Dollar Tree, if that makes sense. And it is a bamboo charcoal toothbrush. So I am going to be trying this out. I put all of my reviews on my Instagram, by the way, so go check it out, because I reviewed the jade roller. I'm actually going to review some of the bath products here really soon. So if you're interested in knowing like my thoughts and opinions on the Dollar Tree products, it's over on my Instagram. Anyway, had to include this in a favorites, just again from the shock value alone that you can find this. It is eco-friendly and it's gentle on gums. It's whitening, it's cleaning between teeth and hard to reach places, and it has charcoal infused bristle tips. So there you have it. Okay, more gift bags. I probably should have put this in some sort of order, but these, so spring, so pastel, just really beautiful. So these are definitely some faves. Another favorite finds are the spot the differences, especially in times like these where we're all doing the same thing. We've never been twinning harder in our lives, right, ladies? We're all at home, we're pretty much all in our pajamas, and I don't know about you, but I'm having a blast. But spot the difference, puzzles, coloring books, all of those things I think are so fun, and I get a thrill for some reason getting them from Dollar Tree. A freaking thrill. But the spot the difference ones are really fun, and you can see, I mean, just the covers alone are really beautiful and vibrant, and yeah, so love those. Then I found these. Now I haven't opened them yet, right? But like I've mentioned in all of my other favorites videos, sometimes it's not necessarily about testing the products, but about like first time impressions, and that's how they make it as a favorite. But these bingos, I mean, the packaging alone is just really beautiful, and it just gets me for $1. And yeah, so bingos, I mean, it's just I think I just had a Twilight Zone moment. I don't know what just happened. Did y'all just witness that? I was talking to you, and then I wasn't talking to you. But what just happened? Anyways, they have some bingo at the Dollar Tree, and they had to be in this video because I think they're so freaking cute, and these are also going to be great for Easter baskets. So there's that. And then what do we get into next? Sticker puzzles. This made it into this video because I was so shocked on how there's a different twist to doing a puzzle. I never once in my life thought of a puzzle being in a sticker form. It's not in the little typical, you know, cardboard type pieces. You literally have the sheet of stickers, but you can see they're all out of order. And then you go to the page, wherever they're supposed to go, and then you line up your stickers in the right order. What? I think that is the coolest idea. I've never seen it anywhere, let alone at Dollar Tree. And I think those are fabulous. Okay, let's get into some Easter cards really quick. These had to make it because they just speak for themselves. This little guy right here, I love how this bunny looks like it's like an Instagram filter or Snapchat filter. It's so cute for a special girl. There's even little strawberries like decked out all over her, and the grass is really pretty. And then this one's just really plain, just says Happy Easter. And I love, you guys know, if it's yellow, I'm obsessed with it. And the very last things, I'm just looking around double checking, but yes, the very last things are 2 stickers and 2 stickers. All right, we're gonna go with it. This one is the Crafter Square planner stuff. So your typical planner style stickers, if you have never watched a planner video in your life off of YouTube or you don't plan, then you may not have seen stuff like this, but they're just really essential type stickers, but in a cute way that helps you stay organized. You get these little flags that say to do, and then all your appointments, like the tooth for the dentist, the doctor, maybe like car maintenance, car wash or oil change. Then you even have like little coffee cups, you know, maybe you want to label a day to get yourself some coffee. So stuff like that. And then the very last thing, and if you know me, you just probably knew this was gonna be in here. This with the strawberries, and the strawberries are in hearts. Look at that little sign right there. And the fox has a strawberry in its mouth. I can't. This is one of my very best friend says that there. All right guys, that's it for today's video. There again is going to be a part 2 because like I said, I have not even grazed over and shown you the best of the best in my little opinion of March 2020 in terms of products were so good. Anyways, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.